You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly, this diagnostic test. If you want to learn more medical terms that are confusing, stay tuned, otherwise known as PSG, polysomnography. So somno is for sleep, poly means several, and graphy is for the sign, the curve, the graph. Yeah, the graph, polysomnography. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.